Building something with your own hands is deeply satisfying. Today we're tackling a homemade three-wheel electric vehicle, designed for pure function, not flashy looks. The heart of this build is a box-style frame made from standard iron pipe, welded into a rigid rectangular chassis. Iron pipe is strong, affordable, and easy to work with, perfect for DIYers with basic tools. This boxy frame isn't just simple, it's tough and easy to repair. If something bends or breaks, just cut it out and weld in a new piece. The straightforward design makes mounting other components a breeze. No fancy jigs or complex curves needed. It's a build that celebrates raw, mechanical simplicity. Every decision in this project follows the principle. If it works and you can build it yourself, it's beautiful. With basic materials and a clear vision, you can create a dependable machine, one weld at a time. This rugged frame sets the tone for the entire build. Let's talk propulsion. We're using a 500-watt hub motor built right into the front wheel, a game-changer for DIY electric vehicles. The hub motor packs the motor, controller, and gearing into one unit, eliminating chains, belts, and gearboxes. With front-wheel drive, steering and propulsion are combined, making the rear axle simple and reducing moving parts. Fewer parts mean fewer things to break, perfect for home builders. For stopping, we use a basic clipper brake, a mechanical caliper pinching a disc just like on a bicycle. It's cable-operated, easy to adjust, and requires no complex hydraulics. If the brake feels loose, tighten the cable. If pads wear out, swap them in minutes. This setup is reliable, easy to maintain, and keeps the vehicle user-friendly. The direct drive motor and simple brakes give this build its no-nonsense character. It's all about making things work and making them easy to understand. For power, we're using tried-and-true lead-acid batteries, affordable, tough, and easy to manage. They're placed low and at the rear of the frame, using their weight to create a low center of gravity for stability. This placement balances the front-heavy motor and driver, giving the vehicle neutral, predictable handling. The heavy batteries actually help prevent tipping, a common issue with three-wheelers. By using their weight strategically, we turn a potential drawback into a performance advantage. No fancy battery management needed, just simple, robust power. The layout makes the ride safer and more stable. It's a smart, cost-effective solution that improves the whole build. To boost self-sufficiency, we've added a solar roof, 3 100-watt panels mounted on the flat frame. These panels feed a charge controller, topping up the lead-acid batteries throughout the day. Parked outside, the vehicle quietly gathers free energy from the sun, extending range and reducing grid reliance. The solar trickle charge keeps batteries healthy, preventing deep discharge and prolonging their life. It's a simple system, just panels, a controller, and some wiring, but it makes a big difference. The solar roof turns downtime into productive charging time. It's sustainable, practical, and fits perfectly with the build's philosophy. More independence, less complexity. So, what's it like to drive? The low center of gravity and balanced weight make for a smooth, stable ride. The hub motor delivers instant, silent power. No gears, no noise, just seamless acceleration. The iron frame, simple brakes, and heavy batteries all work together for confidence and control. The solar roof adds energy independence, quietly charging as you go about your day. This project proves you don't need a big budget or fancy parts to build a practical electric vehicle. It's about smart choices, functional design, and the satisfaction of building something yourself. The result, a reliable, accessible, and sustainable ride, built by hand, powered by ingenuity. Sometimes, the simplest solutions are the most beautiful.